Are you looking for the best binoculars for safari? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best binoculars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vortex Viper HD 8x42 Binoculars. My favorite binoculars for just about any weather condition are the Vortex Viper HD 8x42s, especially if you're looking for a pair that can withstand almost constant use in rugged environments. I've used mine in the sand dunes of Namibia, the rainforests of Peru, the Arctic tundra, and on a 300-mile canoe trip across the Canadian wilderness. They've been dropped many times, used as a plaything by my small children, thrown in a backpack for mountaineering trips, and still the only damage they've sustained is a stuck eye cup due to sand in the thread. Vortex's lifetime warranty would take care of this, if only I could bear to be separated from them long enough to send them off. This durability comes from the ArmorTech scratch-resistant coating on the exterior lenses, a rubber non-slip grip for added impact protection, and O-rings to keep out water, dust, and debris. The binoculars have also been purged with argon, the most expensive and effective form of fog-proofing available. Durability aside, they offer an HD optical system with premium anti-reflective coatings for superior resolution, sharpness, color fidelity, and low light performance, useful for the prime safari times of dawn and dusk. I find the 8x magnification and 7.8 degree field of view ideal for scanning wide areas quickly and keeping up with fast-moving birds and animals. The details: 1.5 pounds, 8x magnification, 42mm lens diameter, 7.8 degree field of view, 18mm eye relief, waterproof. Number 2. Nocs Provisions Field Issue Binoculars. The Nocs Provisions Field Issue 8x32 binoculars offer top-of-the-range internals with high-density Bok 4 prism glass for the best quality image and hi-fi fully multi-coated optics for anti-reflective coating on all sides of the lenses. We find their 8x magnification effective for viewing birds, deer, and other wildlife, and the wide field of view allows you to locate animals quickly, while the mid-sized 32mm lens diameter lets in more light than compact binoculars for a clearer, brighter image while still being lighter than larger models. Simply put, we reach for our Nocs when we want solid optics without the heft of a larger pair of binoculars. Other features include an oversized focus wheel and twist-up eye cups to accommodate glasses wearers. Above all, these binoculars stand out for their durability, which is backed by the brands no matter what lifetime warranty. They're IPX7 rated for full waterproofness in up to 3.3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. We've used them in heavy rain with no problems. They're also nitrogen-filled to prevent the internal lens surfaces from fogging up when the temperature changes. Finally, the rugged, wave-grip rubber coating makes us confident they'd be fine if we ever dropped them. The details: 1 pound, 8x magnification, 32mm lens diameter, 7.38 degree field of view, 16.8mm eye relief, waterproof. Number 3. Occer 12x25 Compact Binoculars with Clear Low-Light Vision. One of the main drawbacks to a full-size pair of safari binoculars is the neck and arm strain you can experience if using them all day, every day. The Occer 12x25 binoculars get around this issue by using plastic construction to cut their weight down to just 7.2 ounces. They're also only 3.9 inches in length, making them easy to keep in a pocket for those hours when you're relaxing at camp and don't want to carry your full bag around with you. We were also impressed with how well they held up to rough treatment despite their lightweight construction. The binoculars offer 12x magnification, which is more than I would usually recommend in a safari model because the narrower view makes it difficult to locate animals in a wide area or to track fast-moving wildlife. That being said, we found these binoculars to be useful for getting a close look at stationary animals, and particularly enjoyed using them to look at the details on small birds. The optics give impressive bang for their buck. Think Bok 4 prism and fully multi-coated lenses for image clarity and anti-reflection, while the 20mm eye relief is ideal for glasses wearers. The details: 7 ounces, 12x magnification, 25mm lens diameter, 7.5 degree field of view, 20mm eye relief, waterproof. Number 4. Binoteck 10 by 42 Binoculars. If you're looking for full-size binoculars in a similar price range to the Occers listed above, the Binoteck 10 by 42 model could be a good fit for you. We used ours on a trip to South Africa that involved a whale-watching component and a safari adventure, and found them equally easy to use for both. The 10x magnification allowed for a close-up view of large animals, while the fully multi-coated lenses and Bach 4 prism provided a crisp, clear picture that was noticeably better than other, similarly priced, binoculars that we tested in the same environments. With a 42mm lens diameter, these are not compact binoculars and their weight reflects that. However, we felt that the increased amount of light let in by the bigger lenses made a real difference when spotting crepuscular critters on early morning and late afternoon game drives. We did note that they provide a relatively limited field of view, 5.5 degrees, and the 10mm eye relief may cause black circles to appear at the edge of your vision if you wear glasses. In terms of durability, these binoculars are not waterproof, but held up fine in light drizzle, and seem durable enough with a shock and slip-resistant rubber finish. The details: 1.1 pounds, 10x magnification, 42mm lens diameter, 5.5 degree field of view, 10mm eye relief, water-resistant. Number 5. Aurosports 10 by 25 Binoculars. The Aurosports 10 by 25 binoculars are the perfect choice for anyone going on safari once and want their own binoculars without having to make a serious investment. Although the image quality can't compare to that of professional binoculars from brands like Maven and Vortex, we were impressed with how much you get for your money, including a Bach 4 prism and fully multi-coated lenses. The binoculars have twist-up eye cups offering almost 15mm of eye relief, allowing comfortable viewing for most. We found that the 10x magnification and 6.9 degree field of view were not ideally suited to whale watching, giving too narrow a field of view to allow us to scan easily for blows and tail flukes. But they were great for giving a close-up, detailed view of slow-moving animals at the waterhole or grazing on the savanna. The binoculars are waterproof and have a durable anti-slip grip. They're also very compact, at just 3.7 inches in length and 8.8 ounces, making them ideal for a safari to South Africa when luggage real estate was limited. They also fit easily in a purse or backpack pocket. The details: 9 ounces, 10x magnification, 25mm lens diameter, 6.9 degree field of view, 14.8mm eye relief, waterproof.